Okay, in this video we're going to talk about composite functions. And by that I mean, let's say we have f of x equals 3x, and we have g of x equals x plus 3. So here we have two different functions. Now a composite function might be something like, let's say a third function, h of x equals adding the two functions together, f of x plus g of x. So to do this, we just simply add the two. F of x is 3x, g of x is x plus 3. 3x plus 1x is 4x, and we have a plus 3. So that's our new function when we have the composite of these two functions. Let's say we do another where we have where we subtract the two. Well, in that case, let's put a minus sign here. So we have the f of x minus g of x, 3x minus x plus 3. So 3x minus 1x is 2x minus 3. And that's our composite function for subtracting the two functions. Alright, let's try multiplication of the two functions. So in that case, instead of a minus, we'll put a dot for multiplication, f of x times g of x. So we have 3x times x plus 3. We can use the distributive property for that. So we have 3 of x times the first term would give us 3x squared, and 3x times 3 would be 9x. So that would be the new composite function for the product of these two functions. And of course, last we can do the division of the two functions. So we'll take f of x divided by g of x. For that, f of x is 3x, g of x is x plus 3. So that would be the composite function for dividing the two. Alright. What else can we do with these functions, composite functions? What if we had, for the f of x, we said f, and we substituted for x, g of x. So for that, f of x is the 3x. But in place of the x, normally we'd have f of x and x here. In place of the x, we have this g of x. So in place of the x, I'll put g of x, which is the x plus 3. Okay, now I can use distributive property. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. So f of g of x would be 3x plus 9. What else can we do with this? Well, let's do the in reverse. Let's say g of f of x. So where we would have g of x, we'd put g of f of x. So we're substituting for this x, we're substituting the f of x. So g of x normally would be x plus 3. But in place of the x, we're going to use f of x, which is 3x. So erase this, put a 3x in there. Well, and that's our composite function for g of f of x. So these are a few examples of what we do with a composite function.